Hey, welcome users. What if I tell you you can build an AI agent, right? That AI agent will automatically send smart updates to your WhatsApp, right? This sounds very cool, right? So in this video, I will show you how I build this using n8n, right? So before going ahead, let me explain with this simple example. Suppose imagine you are interested in AI news, right? Instead of searching on Google every day, you just tell the agent, give me a AI updates. Simple, right? And this agent will automatically find the latest news, right, and understand that news and send a short summary directly to your WhatsApp, right? So but basically it works like your personal assistant, like, right? We go right here. So let me explain. With start with the webhook. This is where the user sends a request, right? For example, if I send give me AI news, the request comes into the system from here, right? This is the webhook. The input comes to the here, then it goes to the AI agent model, right here. So this is the brain of the system. It understands what the user want to decide and what to do. Inside this agent, there are basically three important parts. First is the AI model, right? Here I am using the Groq Chat AI model, right? So here this model which generates the actual response, right? And second is memory. You can see here I'm not using this time. You can also use this memory. So what does memory doing right here? So this memory help the agent remember context. For example, if I ask give me AI news and then say summarize it, right? It understand what it means, right? And the third tool is and the third one is tool, right? Here you can see here, and this is the tools tick, right? This allow the agent to perform actions like fetching users, calling APIs, or sending data to WhatsApp, right? After processing all of this, the data goes to the AI transform node here, right? So here the response is clean and formatted. I will show each and everything after this explanation, right? So it looks simple and readable, and finally the result sent back to the respond to webhook node, right? So in short, user sends a request, the AI agent thinks, processes, and respond instantly. It's basically like a smart assistant working in real time, right? After all of this, let's come to the main point, how this AI agent sends the data to the WhatsApp. So now let me explain. For this, I am using WhatsApp Cloud API, right? I will show you here, right? This is my WhatsApp Meta API where I get. So the agent sends an HTTP post request to the Meta server and with the user phone numbers and the generated message. If I need it, I can also send an image along with the next text by adding an image URL. So the complete flow is user sends a request, AI processes it, and the result is delivered to your WhatsApp instantly, right? So now let me quickly see how build this. First, I created a workflow in n8n here, right? And I added a webhook to receive input. After that, I added a AI agent and connect it to the Groq AI model. After that, I used a AI transform to format the output, and finally, I returned the response to the connected to webhook. Right? This is here we go. Right? Now let's test it. I will send a topic like AI, right? And as you can see, the workflow starts running, the agent processing the request, and boom, we get the response instantly. This is where the magic happens. If we talk about why this is useful, right? This can save a lot of time. Instead of doing repetitive work, you can automate everything using AI agent. You can use for news and alerts, automations, or even every even business tools, right? So now it's time to see the actual things, how the AI my AI agent will work, and how that collected data will send to the my WhatsApp account. Right now, I will show you in my mobile screen. Let me connect my mobile. Right, I will connect to my phone so I can display each and everything to you. This is not called, and this is Scrappy, right? And this that is connected my phone right here, right? Let me show you quickly. So this is my simple AI mobile app, right? Where I just create a simple mobile UI, uh, and here you can see I just add some input and send to the AI agent model, right? And so now let's run this. What we search here? So give me the latest news, right? Give me the latest news about AI, artificial intelligence, right? Artificial intelligence, right? This is what I wanted each day, right? Now let's run this agent, right? And you can see this is analyzing the data, and after all of this, here in my mobile phone I can see here the all the data that my AI agent is collected, right, sent to my directly my WhatsApp. So I will show how this actually things working, right? So you can see here, right? This is my AI model, AI agent model, and you can see how these things will work, right? I will again send the input from my mobile phone. Okay, now let's see the real demo how that model is actually running, right? You can see here the my AI agent is now running in my running state, and if I initialize this step and run the AI agent from my mobile app, this the overall flow you can see here, right? How this AI agent flow is working, right, in the live session, right? Now if I initialize this will come the input here, then AI agent will perform what it actually decided, right? And after all of this, Groq AI model finds the latest artificial intelligence news from the internet, and that collection of data sent to the AI transform, and that AI transform will get the data, and that data will not understandable readable format, right? And that AI transform will convert that unreadable format data into the human readable format and send to the respond to webhook, right? And this where respond to webhook collect those old formatted data and send back to the webhook, and that webhook will return back to my uh, backend, right? And that backend will connect it with my WhatsApp account, and that data will directly sent to my WhatsApp business account, which is actually connected, right? Now I will show you this message into my WhatsApp. Let me show you this. This here, this is my all newses which I have actually searches in this time, and this is the latest AI news, right? I am searching this. Give me the latest AI news about artificial intelligence, and that the AI agent is working here. The rapid advantage of artificial intelligence, this, and that data will come from the online sources, internet sources, right? And this is the overall agenda which I have described today in this video. And if you wanted this code, how will I how can I create this from the scratch? You can download it from my GitHub account. I will put that link into my descriptions. You can directly go through and download it overflow. Uh, because I already explained the previous video how this I created this mobile app, right? And I connected this mobile app into my backend services here, right? And and if you find here, right, and here you can find how I connected my WhatsApp account to my backend, right? And this is the very simple use case. This is not very complex, right? You can get this code from my GitHub account directly, right? So this is the overall things what I have described in this today video. I will explain each and everything in the next video. How can I create this, right? And in my next video, I will create this is from the scratch and explain each and everything how this is, our things work, right? You can also see here what the things comes from the API and what data this is actually processes. You can click here, and this is the so what the data is actually get from the internet sources, right? In the next video I will explain each and everything. You can, if you like this interesting AI agent and how this working flow, and if you wanted to create this on your own and present this AI agent to your college projects and interview preparations, so please subscribe this channel and like this video and share this video, like thumbs up. Okay.